Hello everyone, my name is Pragya and I have found this extremely helpful website, Strata Scratch, and that's provided link in the description. Strata Scratch is a data science platform with over 1,000 plus real interview questions from your favorite companies. So this is a platform where you can master your coding skills with data science. And I am going through a couple of easy Python problems today that may be helpful to get started with. So we are here at stratascratch.com. So let's go to the coding questions. And I have Python. And then you can set the filter by difficulty level, easy, medium, and hard. Today I'm going through a couple of easy problems. So here I have easy, and then you can also sort by company, filter by companies, industry, topics, and has video solution or not. So it is really helpful. So let's get to our first problem. So I've solved some problems here. So let's do one which I have not solved. So this is from Spotify, and it is under easy, and the problem title is top ranked songs. So let's open this. And here you have the problem description, and then you can see the expected output, which we're not going to see right now. And if you need hints, there are approach hints, and then you can also view the data frame, how it looks like. And if you run the code here, also you can see your output. As you go step by step, you can check your output. So I find this platform extremely useful. So now let's read the problem. Find songs that have ranked in the top position, output the track name and the number of times it ranked at top. Sort your records by the number of times a song was in the top position in descending order. So if we see the data frame, we can see several track names and the position they have. So the top position refers to one, I guess. One is always on the top when we are ranking the songs. So we need to find those songs who have got the position 1 most of the time. So that is, I think, the essence of the problem itself. So now, what we are going to do is, first thing first, it's hard to refer to this long data frame Spotify worldwide daily song ranking. So we are going to give it an easy data frame name, which is DF. And then this is the first step, I would say. And then after this, what we are going to do is we need to know what the top position is. So the top position is 1. So let's specify it as top position, and then you can just write DF, and we are locating to the position. And you could have written it as equals to 1, but now for this tutorial, I'm going to use a min function so that it selects the minimum position, which is 1. So now, if you see this, if you run the code, you see the output is 1. So we have located our minimum position. So now moving further, now what we need to do is we need to find those track names who have the position 1. So let's note that has songs on top. And then we have our data frame. And then we locate the, we can access the position, and then we are setting it equal to top position, which is 1, right? So we now can see, if we run this code, we can see just the songs that have appeared in the first position or the top positions. And now what we need is this song. For example, let's say there is the track name Humble might have appeared a lot of times in top position, and we need to find the count of that. So what we are going to do is, there is in Python Pandas, there is an extremely useful function Groupby that groups your data frame by a variable name or by a column name. So for this, we need the we need the grouping by track name. So we are going to do grouped df equals to, so we have songs on top, and then we are using group by function, and then we are grouping by track name, and then we are grouping by track name with the count of the position. So count, and then we are going to reset the index so that the index really appears. Oops. So now I think we are almost done. So we have this, and now we need to sort this in descending order. So that's now we are going to do that. So we can use this function short values, and then short values will, so we are sorting by position. So we need this in descending order. So we pass this ascending equals to false and check now. So now we can see they are in descending order. So let's try to match it with the expected output. And here we go. So this was pretty simple, right? So you can follow these codes, these lines, and try to solve it yourself. So let's check it. Fingers crossed. Okay, we have done this.